Ever wondered how a machine makes sense of human language, or even composes poetry? This isn't a plot from a science fiction novel, but a reality of our world today. The intriguing field of artificial intelligence, more specifically, natural language processing and generation, is making this possible. But how does an AI, like GPT-3, understand and generate language in a way that's nearly indistinguishable from human-authored text? Could it even outsmart us? Welcome to the fascinating world of GPT-3. GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a marvel of artificial intelligence. But what exactly is it? Well, it's a language prediction model, a type of artificial intelligence that's been trained to understand and generate human-like text. It's the brainchild of OpenAI, an AI research lab that's been pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of artificial intelligence. GPT-3 works in a fascinating way. It takes in a piece of text, whether it's a question, a statement, or even a prompt, and then generates a continuation of that text. It does this by predicting what comes next, based on the patterns and structures it has learned from billions of web pages worth of text data. It's a bit like a predictive text feature on a smartphone, but on an incredibly advanced scale. The beauty of GPT-3 lies in its ability to understand context and generate responses that are not only relevant, but also remarkably human-like. It can write essays, answer questions, create poetry, and even generate code. It's not just spitting out pre-learned responses either. GPT-3 is capable of crafting entirely new, coherent sentences and paragraphs based on the input it receives. In essence, GPT-3 is like a giant mimic, learning from countless text data and reproducing it in a coherent, human-like manner. So, what makes GPT-3 stand out in the world of AI? Firstly, let's delve into the colossal training dataset of GPT-3. It's trained on hundreds of gigabytes of text, which provides an expansive knowledge base and enables it to generate diverse and relevant responses. Secondly, it's worth noting the impressive number of parameters GPT-3 utilizes. It's armed with a staggering 175 billion machine learning parameters. This vast number allows GPT-3 to capture and replicate complex patterns in human language with an uncanny accuracy. Finally, the ability to generate extremely human-like text is a standout feature. GPT-3 can write essays, answer questions, and even create poetry, mirroring human-like thought processes and language nuances. In essence, it's the combination of a massive training dataset, an unprecedented number of parameters, and the capability to mimic human-like text generation. These key features make GPT-3 a significant leap forward in the realm of AI. But how does GPT-3 influence our world, you may wonder? Well, its applications spread across numerous fields, from healthcare to education, from content creation to language translation. In healthcare, GPT-3 is making strides in patient care and medical research. Imagine a virtual assistant that can understand a patient's symptoms, refer to a vast database of medical knowledge, and offer potential diagnoses. That's not science fiction, that's GPT-3 in action. It's also used in medical research, helping scientists parse through large volumes of data to identify patterns and make connections that might otherwise be missed. Moving on to education, GPT-3 is transforming the way we learn. It can generate comprehensive and concise study materials, personalize lesson plans based on individual learning styles, and even tutor in a variety of subjects. It's like having a personal, highly knowledgeable tutor at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Content creation is another area where GPT-3 shines. It can create engaging articles, catchy marketing slogans, and even write scripts like this one. It understands context, making its output relevant and meaningful. The possibilities are endless, especially when combined with human creativity and judgment. Moreover, GPT-3 is a linguist. It can translate languages, making communication across different cultures and regions easier than ever. It's not just about translating words. GPT-3 can do it while maintaining the nuances and context of the original text, bridging the gap between languages and cultures. And these are just a few examples. GPT-3's potential applications are vast and still largely untapped. It's being used to automate customer service, generate code, and even compose music. In a world that's increasingly driven by data and information, GPT-3 is a powerful tool that can help us make sense of this abundance of data. It can analyze, create, and communicate in ways that were previously thought to be exclusive to humans. From creating content to aiding in healthcare, GPT-3 is truly revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. So, is GPT-3 the ultimate AI? Well, that's a question for another day, but let's recap. GPT-3's ability to understand, generate, and translate text is nothing short of groundbreaking. Its applications are vast, from chatbots to creative writing. The potential of this technology is immense, and it's only the tip of the iceberg. As we continue to explore the capabilities of GPT-3, one thing remains clear: the future of AI is here, and it's exciting.